You guys see that? My can matches my tractor. That's awesome. Anyway, today's video used the BX23S 6-foot box blade. I know, it's way too big for this tractor. Anyway, it's what I got. So we used it. Went down and just put a nice drag on a gravel driveway that was getting some potholes because it's freezing, thawing, freezing, thawing. The driveway does have a good number 2 cutout base under it, but it still develops those potholes, and if you have a nice car, it's gonna get dirty. So we did our best to smooth it out, make a nice driveway. You can probably see the flag back there. I don't want you to worry. I'm not a pirate. I just like that flag. I think it's kind of cool. Anyway, so want to keep making these videos. Today we cut out the center hump of the driveway, had some weeds down at the end, pulled down the center, lifted the 3-point hitch, went past those, pushed it back to the end. The gravel kind of just fed back out of the box blade, and I was able to pick up all the weeds, put them in the bucket, get rid of them. The box blades, when you're setting them up there, I mean, there's 2 cutting edges. There's a forward cutting edge and a rear cutting edge. So before I even took it down today to the job, I pulled it in here in the shop on a level surface. I just lifted up a little bit so the blade's, you know, 1/2 inch off the ground. Your 3-point hitch has an ability, you know, for left and right it's a turnbuckle adjustment. I made sure, you know, it was nice and flat. And the top link, I made sure I adjusted it so that those 2 blades, the front cutting edge and the rear cutting edge, you know, that they set down really, really level. Anyway, I want to keep making these videos. I love these BX tractors. Between the backhoes, the rotary cutters, the box blade, I have a grater blade. The rotary cutter. I can't wait to get footage of that. It's a Titan 4-foot rotary. It's got great linkage for uneven ground. Great rotary cutter. You wouldn't believe what this BX tractor can cut down with a rotary cutter. It's awesome. The tractors, I think they say, require 5 horsepower per foot of rotary cutter. Obviously it handles that 4-foot perfect. I don't think you want to go any bigger than that. But I hope to get some more of these videos coming your way. Pretty much BX tractor work. My brother-in-law might pop in there with his cat. You know, he's got a cat skid steer. He's like, oh, look at my machine. It's so big. It's so heavy. And everything's about size with that guy. I'm just not like that. So anyway, you might see some cat skid steers in some of these projects, but pretty much just going to be moving dirt, having fun, and showing what these machines are capable of. So if you like these videos, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll keep them coming your way. Thanks.